Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V60. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Then, over to the unit, you've got my car there and telephone next one in, so we click telephone. It comes up no phone connected or okay to connect. Now, at first, you assume okay to connect, well, it's okay to connect to phone, but what you actually have to do is click the OK button to connect. And the OK button is here. So click OK. Then search new phone. Click OK again. It's now searching for a phone. We'll just wait to see which it comes up on first. There you go. It's found my phone there. So I need to turn this down to Barry's iPhone and click OK, and then connect for phone. Click. Connecting Barry's iPhone. Does the numeric passkey match with Barry's iPhone? 700 245, 700 245. Pair and click OK to confirm there. Do I want my contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again, but you will. So you click allow there. And that's it showing there, my V60 connected.